As part of its corporate social responsibility and ongoing commitment to supporting the less fortunate during Ramadan, Yonna Forex, a leading forex exchange service provider in the Gambia, organized a special Iftar donation on Friday at the Brikama Health Center. The initiative aimed to provide much needed support to patients and healthcare workers at one of the country's busiest medical facilities. Prior to this, Yonna Forex extended similar donations to Kanifing General Hospital and Demban Clinic. The delegation to Brikama Health Center was led by Yonna Forex General Manager Mamadou Barrow, who highlighted the significance of solidarity and generosity during Ramadan. He emphasized that while the government plays a crucial role, private institutions also have a responsibility to contribute to community welfare.
We know that a lot of our facilities have a lot of challenge in terms of structures, in terms of materials that are out there, or even maintaining human resources that can even help to really, people that can really help to really help us to service those things here. I think a lot more people have to be involved. Institutions have to be involved. Business have to be involved. Government alone cannot do all these things, like you mentioned. But then I'm sure my business team will really take your plea to the office. I'm sure our board will also try to put some of the concern on the table, and so we are very, very sure that we will do something for the hospital. When you look at our operations in the West Coast region as a whole, I think we have close to about 15 business locations or more in the entire region of West Coast region. But in Brikama alone, we have about 7 business locations, that is operating here. I think we've got bigger stake in West Coast region than any other region in the country. That goes to show how Brikama is also part of our daily operations in this country. So I think the areas you've touched on really are amazing. I think I'm really shocked to receive certain things that are happening in most of these hospitals, but I'm sure we will do everything possible to really come to the aid of people of Brikama. Like the statistics is not lying. We believe in the numbers, and we were in one of the hospitals, and they mentioned that other than Brikama, they are the second largest, and we just mentioned the same thing. So these are factors that are out there. I think everybody else must be interested in these numbers and see how we will be able to really contribute our part into ensuring that our health facilities must receive that support they deserve.
na dalilo na mente wala nyinti nataka iftaro le di molla milialon ko tollem sa ha tolti e be laare laptano kono jam Yonna group lota nyina kankajo ko na customer ka mindinna amanjare comme like nyanta ka mutam fambulo kono bari fanal si funti nga murundi ka nga foy ko ala baraka bake so bi wo ala baraka wala te nga nyi iftaro na te nan ka di pezino la milialon ko be laare laptano to la ni milialon ko be laare kunna because ni aju be sa to janni bela buru minano ay kanya ma foy si domoro ke milialon ko wala bete atanda be sembodi le la buru la priyo domoro oto Yonna manyina na kiliano la ni aje bintol be lorin simfulo lambe bambani nyin kiliano alon ko wolle kana Yonna la bundala e kana bunda kon ko e kana service use itolle yate nan tol fana sembo soto Gambia kono ja oto hanim bi nin tol fundeta kana nan kam bulu kaf nyoma kana o clientol fana kila nyanto dila ngamira a way Yonna sula bakele.
Our reason of being here today is to distribute iftar to the vulnerable people that are in the hospital, those that are incapacitated not by their own whims or their own desire, but out of destiny or out of decree that is destined by our Almighty Allah. And then any one of us here could be found on a hospital bed, but some of them, you would be surprised, would be in the hospitals without having escorts, or may not in fact have enough amount of money to take care of their medical bills, or in fact how they would be able to break their fast. So they cannot be in these two predicaments, and Yonna being a community company, being a company for the people, being Gambian, we also deemed it necessary to also come and pay solidarity and stand with these people that are on their hospital bed by giving them iftar for them to be able to break their fast.
Upon arrival, the Yonna Forex team was warmly received by the officer in charge, Dr. Mamadou Lamin Wage, alongside hospital staff and patients. Dr. Wage expressed gratitude for the donation, acknowledging its importance in alleviating some of the challenges faced by both patients and healthcare workers, especially during the fasting period.
Your generosity means everything to us and to the patients we serve. We know that you have a lot of choices. You have a lot of people to donate. But when it comes to donating, I think Brikama District Hospital should not be forgotten, because in terms of everything, we outnumber all the facilities in this country. Our statistics is really overwhelmed. So I think we should be remembered first when it comes to donations. We have a lot of work to do, and your generous donation help us to get this important work done. None of our successes would have been possible without generous donors like you. Thank you once again for your commitment and kindness. Thank you for your support and for the belief in doing good. We simply couldn't do what we are doing without the amazing donors like you. Many people say they want to donate or they want to help, but few actually set up to do it. Thank you so much for being one of the few today to step up with this important donation, like Iftar.
I want to use this opportunity to express our gratitude on behalf of the hospital administration and the staff. We want to say a big thank you for choosing Brikama. There are so many hospitals out there, but you chose Brikama to come and share this Iftar with. And on behalf of the patients too that are lying there helpless, I know they feel very loved today, they feel very cared for, having seen you people come around to share what you have with them. That shows that you care about what is going on in the hospital.
The donation included carefully prepared food parcels and crates of clean drinking water, ensuring that everyone present could break their fast in a dignified manner. The event fostered the spirit of unity and communal care, underscoring the importance of collective efforts in supporting those in need. Yonna Forex special Iftar donation at Brikama Health Center exemplifies the impact of corporate philanthropy and community-driven initiatives in uplifting vulnerable groups, reinforcing the spirit of compassion and togetherness that defines the holy month of Ramadan. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Buba Gajigo.